Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to another video of QLME. Today we're gonna learn animals mentioned in Quran. Al-Haywanat. These are the animals mentioned in Quran. Let's learn them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Animals mentioned in Quran, let's learn them all today. You'll start to listen carefully to every word we say. Allah created animals, Allah is Ar-Rahman. He sent us book to guide us all, we all love Quran. Animals mentioned in Quran, let's learn them all today. You'll start to listen carefully to every word we say. Allah created animals, Allah is Ar-Rahman. He sent a book to guide us all, we all love Quran.
Let's play a game. Now we will play an animal sound and you all should guess what animal it is. And then we will share the animal and learn its name in Arabic, English and the ayah in which it is mentioned. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is this?
I think it's an ant.
Let's see. Good job, it is an ant. And it is called Naml, which means
Ant.
Naml means
Ant.
And this is an ayah where the ant is mentioned. Wadin Naml.
The valley of the ants.
Next is
I think it's a bee.
Oh yeah, it is. And in Arabic it's Nahla, which means
Bee. I was gonna say ant.
Nahla means
Bee.
وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ.
And inspire your Lord to the bee.
It is qird, which means
Monkey.
qird means
Monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
كونوا قردة خاسئين.
Bee despised apes.
Next is
I think it's a hoopoe.
good job, you're right. And it's called hudhud, which means
Hoopoe.
hudhud means
Hoopoe.
لا أرى المدهد. لا أرى الهدهد.
No, I see the hoopoe. Cow.
It has two words, rijal and baqara. Rijal is
Calf.
and baqara is.
Cow.
Rijal and baqara mean
Calf and cow.
اتخذتم العجل.
You took the calf.
بقرة صفراء فاقعة.
A bright yellow cow.
What do you think this is?
Camel.
Good job! Camel has many words in Quran, naqa and jamal, which mean
Camel.
naqa and jamal means
Camel.
camels have many words in the Quran. Yali jal jamal.
The camel passes.
And هذه ناقة الله.
The she-camel of Allah.
الإبل.
The camels.
ولا ركاب.
And not the camels.
فشاربون شرب الحيم.
And will drink as drinking of the thirsty camels.
حمل بعير.
Is a load of camel.
Next is
Crow?
yes. And it's غرابا, which means
Crow.
غرابا means
Crow.
فبعث الله غرابا.
Then was sent by Allah a crow. A dog?
Yes, good job. And it's called كلب, which means
Dog. Woof woof.
كلب means
Dog. Woof woof.
ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم.
They were three. The fourth of them was their dog.
Why do you think that is?
Why? I think donkey.
Let's check. It's a donkey. And it's حمار, which means
Donkey.
حمار means
Donkey.
كمثل الحمار.
It's like the donkey. Elephant.
Yeah, it is. And it's called fil, which means
Elephant.
fil means
Elephant. Feel the elephant.
بأصحاب الفيل.
With the companions of the elephant. A cow?
No. It's a sheep. And it has two words. الضانة or غنم, which means
Sheep.
cutie sheep. الضان or غنم means
Sheep.
غنم القوم.
Sheep of the people.
الضان اثنين.
The sheep. The two sheep.
Next is
A
pretty
ewe?
Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. And this is Naja, which means
Ew. Not that ewe. Female sheep.
it's a female sheep. Najatun means
Ew.
ولي ناجة واحدة.
While I have one ewe.
Next is
A whale?
maybe. Oh yeah, you are correct. It's called hoot, which means
A type of a whale.
hoot means
A type of a whale.
فالتقمه الحوت.
Then the fish swallowed him.
Next is this is hard.
A
Hard.
fly?
Oh yeah, correct. And and in Arabic it's called ذبابة, which means
fly.
ذبابا means
Fly.
يخلق ذبابا.
Create a fly.
Next is
A frog.
or a pig. It's a frog. Good job. And it's called ضفدع, which means
Frog.
ضفدع means
Frog.
والجراد والقمل والضفادع.
And the locusts and the lice and the frogs.
Jarada means locust and kummala means lice. Next is what is it?
A goat.
It's a goat. And it's called maz, which means
Goat.
الماز اثنين.
The two goats. Horse.
Oh yeah, it's a horse. And it's called khayl, which means
Horse.
khayl means
Horse.
الذهب والفضة والخيل.
The gold and the silver and the horses.
Next is oh, it's a lion, and it's called قسورة, which means
Lion.
قسورة means
Lion.
فرت من قسورة.
Feeling from a lion. Fleeing from a lion.
Next is
A mule?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, it is. And it's called bagl, which means
Mule.
bagl means
Mule.
والخيل والبغال والحمير.
And horses and mules and donkeys.
Next is it's a mosquito,
Oh.
and it's called baruda, which means
Mosquito.
baruda means
Mosquito.
مثلا ما بعوضة.
An example like even of a mosquito.
Allah is not ashamed to set forth an example like even of a mosquito. Next is
Oh.
it's a spider. عنكبوت,
Which means spider.
itsy bitsy spider went up. عنكبوت means
Spider. Itsy bitsy spider.
كمثل العنكبوت.
Is like the spider.
Next is
Pig.
yeah,
Mhm.
and it's خنزير, which means
Pig. Oink oink.
oink oink oink. خنزير means
Pig. Oink oink.
حرم عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير.
He has forbidden to you the dead animals and the blood and the flesh of swine.
Or pig. Next is chirping. Chirp, chirp. It's a quail. And it's called salwa. I heard that one before. And it means
Quail.
salwa means
Quail.
al-manna was-salwa.
The manna and the quails.
Next is
Snake.
Oh yeah. Snakes have many names in Quran like Hayatun, Janun, and Thu'banun, which means
Snake.
hiss, 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 hiss. Hayatun, Janun, and Thu'banun mean
Snake. Hiss, 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 hiss.
Hiya Thu'banun mubin.
It was manifest a Superman.
Serpent.
Serpent.
كأنها جان.
As if it were a snake.
هي حية تسعى.
It was a snake moving swiftly.
Next is
A wolf.
Sounds like a whale. It's a wolf. It's called Dhi'bun, which means
Wolf. And next to the wolf, it's so cute, a baby wolf.
Dhi'bun means
Wolf.
this is the final one. Yay! وأخاف أن يأكله الذئب.
Okay. And I feared that a wolf would eat him.
You guys did a very good job. Yay!
I hope you guessed this.
I hope you had a lot of fun. And QLME Kids YouTube playlist. It's in the description box below. And you have to guess this. It's really hard. Can you guess it?
What is it?
A baby laughing. Jazakallahu khairan for watching.
مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.
Basalama. Salam, bye, whatever.
Bismillah, Bismillah,
Bismillah, hudud Allah. Bismillah.